Okay, the drink we're about to make is Alexander's Sister. There we go. We're going to add ice to the glass. And we're going to do 1 shot of gin. Oops, wrong side. Guess they get a little bit extra. Trying to get Alexander's Sister drunk. And we're going to do a half a shot of green creme de menthe. It's her favorite color. And we're going to do half a shot of heavy cream. Nice heavy cream there. And let's mix it up real good. We're going to have a nice green creamy beverage. Just like good old Alex's sister likes it. Now we got it mixed up real well. Let's set up a glass. And give it a pour. Look at that green frothy drink. It's just what we like. Give it a straw and enjoy with Alexander's Sister. Just don't let him find out. Bottoms up.